Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to use selection tool in ArcGIS Pro. So you can see here I am having a few features, point feature and polygon feature. Now in order to use the selection tool you have to navigate to the map option and come to selection. So you can see at the top this is normal selection. You can use the mouse to click on the feature and select it. It will be highlighted. The selection is highlighted as you can see here. If I want to click on this point, you can see it is selected and it has been highlighted. Okay, like this the selection tool works. So using this selection tool you can export features, you can select and export features. And for example I have selected this part of the polygon feature. If I right click and go to the option attribute table, here also this selected attribute will be highlighted so that you can easily identify which feature is being selected. If you want, you can edit or put on some information, you can do so. Okay, now let me close this attribute. In order to clear this selection you can use this button, clear selection, so it will be clear. Okay, there are a couple of options are also available. For example, rectangle, you can select rectangle. Now let me remove this boundary. Now you can use this rectangular tool by using mouse left click. You just need to long press the mouse left click and drag like this and draw rectangular. So you can see here I used the rectangular, so the features falling inside this rectangular will be selected. That will be also highlighted in the attribute table. You can see here. You can also check in only the selected records. Only the selected records will be shown. Like this you can do. There are some more options also available. For example, by drawing polygon you can select. Let me show you that. So I am going to draw a polygon by using mouse left click. It is same as digitizing. Okay, like this you can manually draw a polygon and select the features. The features within this polygon will be selected. Same thing. Lasso, it's like a freehand drawing. Just click on anywhere. Sorry, yeah. Now click on anywhere. So this tool is here also. You need to continuously long press the mouse left click to draw like this. You can make the selection, or let me show you another example. Let me zoom into this location. You can use this lasso tool. Just use the mouse left click, long press it, and you can draw like this. And you can use it for selecting any features. Like this you can do the selection. You can draw a circle and for example I need to select the features within this circle. So use the mouse left click. Don't leave the mouse left click, just drag. The circle size will be increasing. If you reduce, you can also shrink it, move forward and backward. Okay, now you can see within the circle what and all features are available. Point and polygon has been selected. Finally you can see line. For example, if I need to draw a line, let me click on a point over here by using mouse left click, and I need to finish it over here. Now double click to complete it. So you can see here, based on a line, crossing the features will be selected and highlighted. Okay, now let's move on to the select by attribute section. This will be a bit interesting. So first is we are going to select uh, the shapefile which we are working with. For example, here couple of shapefiles are there, district and locations. So I'm going to select location. Here the selection type is new selection. There are also couple of other types. For example, if you want, if you can remove features by remove from the current selection, you can remove the, for example, you might be for example, if your point, every point has been selected, if you want to remove any particular point, you can use this remove from the current selection, or select from subset from the current selection, switch the current selection. You can switch it, clear the current selection. Okay, like this many features are there. So let us see the new selection, new expression, which attribute you are interested in. So let me show the attribute table for you. This is the point features attribute. Only benchmark is there. The height is in meters. So I'm going to first select the field benchmark, and you can see there are some functions available. So let me put on benchmark is greater than 400. Okay, now let me click on apply. You can see here benchmark above 400 value will be selected. You can check it over here. Okay, this is a kind of selection, and yeah, so you can see benchmark is null. Let me apply it. So here null is not there, so no features will be selected. You can explore this option. It will be of great use for some of you. Now let me select the add to the current selection. So now in order to go back to the normal selection, I'm going to choose rectangle, and after that I'm going to click on the top. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a couple of features. You can use mouse left click, you can use the mouse left click plus shift to select these features, multiple features. Mouse left click plus shift button. So you can see here I have selected couple of features over here, this point and polygon. So now benchmark, add to current selection. So you can add new selection, so where the benchmark is greater than or the benchmark is lesser than 200. Click apply. So you can see here lesser than 200 has been selected. Like this you can add selection, add new selection, or remove the current selection. For example, let me is equal to 600, apply. So you can see here no feature has been removed. Or let me put it like this, is equal to 616, apply. You can see I have removed the 616 by using the remove from the current selection, and switch the current selection. For example, if you want, you can switch the current selection. So you can see switch the current selection. What it does is it inverts the selection. For example, only this feature is being selected right now. If you select switch the current selection and click apply, you can see that this is been unselected and rest of the features has been selected. This is an inversion of selection. Clear the current selection. So clear the current selection, apply. You can see the selected feature has been removed. Like this you can use the selection tool. You can select and export data that I'll be showing in the upcoming videos. you can select and export this part of the features. That can be also done. So thanks for watching. Please to put your valuable comments. Please to subscribe. Goodbye.